can smell something really tasty here.
Hi Saakshi baby, I know you're cooking something really tasty there. Tomorrow it's my carnival and I need to make something really tasty. So can you just help me?
Sure, why not? So let's start with a simple sandwich recipe. I think kids love that one. It's very easy to make.
Wow.
So you just need some beetroot and some capsicum, some cucumber, some onions, and let's add some flavor of mint to it. That will bring the freshness to the sandwich. And I know the kids love cheese, so why not add some cheese to that? So here I have some pieces of bread that we can use, and very gently using a spoon or a knife you can use to put some mayonnaise over it, right? So this is how we go. Okay, and the next thing I would like to put on top of this, I know the kids don't like beetroot a lot, but I think if maybe the color impresses them and they can have it, right?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Next we can have some capsicum. Kids don't like that.
Me
as
too.
well. Okay, but let's see. I can bet you that you like it in this sandwich very much. Then you can add some cucumber. It again adds to the freshness of the sandwich and at the same time the color looks really good. Yeah. Now coming on next is some onion. Now comes the cheese slice. There you go.
Wow.
Yeah, and then comes some basic salt and pepper. So it's not spicy, but yet at the same time the flavor is good. Right? Now put some mayo on the second piece as well. That's it. You bring the pieces together, cut them into 2 or 4 as you like. So nothing very, specific about it. And that's it. Now let's prepare the garnishing for this. So here I have some very fresh lettuce leaves and some chips which I think the kids cannot keep their hands off.
Yummy.
Yeah. So we can just take the pieces, the sandwich pieces, and put them over the lettuce. And here you have some ketchup with this, your wafers and your sandwich. So there you go.
Didi, it's so tasty. It's really easy to make and it would be a hit at my shop. Friends, why don't you try it?